Find features that differentiate it from other brands for ZiCOWAY H16 Smart Watch. And why you should choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Built with upgraded optical sensor, ZiCOWAY H16 delivers 24/7 real-time tracking of HRV, heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, body temperature, sleep and stress status. It also supports sedentary warning, hydration reminder, alarm clock and exercise goal alerts. Keep track of your body condition easily and stay in charge of your health. Bluetooth 5.2 HD calling, smart notifications and built-in AI voice assistant. Equipped with stable Bluetooth 5.2 chip and high-definition microphone speaker, ZiCOWAY H16 enables crystal clear hands-free incoming and outgoing calls directly on the watch. It delivers real-time vibration alerts for all social app messages, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, SMS and email, never missing any important updates. The built-in intelligent AI voice assistant supports voice control for music playback, reminder adjustment, weather inquiry, and more operations, completely freeing your hands and greatly improving your daily life efficiency. 186 plus online watch faces and custom DIY photo dials plus always-on AMOLED display. ZiCOWAY H16 features high-sensitivity full-touch screen and premium high-definition AMOLED display with excellent color rendering and visibility. It offers 186 plus stylish online dynamic watch faces via companion app, and supports free custom DIY dial by uploading your personal photos. Perfectly matches daily, sports, formal and casual occasions, shows your unique personal style, and creates your exclusive customized smartwatch. Ultra-wide compatibility and all-in-one practical daily functions. ZiCOWAY H16 smartwatch achieves fast, stable and seamless pairing, fully compatible with Android 6.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above smartphones. It integrates comprehensive practical functions, precise time display, real-time weather forecast, music control, camera remote shutter, alarm clock, phone finder, sedentary reminder, hydration alert and sleep management. One watch manages your whole daily life easily and perfectly. Supports 200 plus professional sports modes including running, cycling, basketball, dancing, swimming, hiking and strength training. It accurately records real-time exercise data, calories, steps, heart rate, pace and distance, throughout your workout, provides scientific training analysis and efficient exercise guidance for fitness lovers. With standard IP68 waterproof rating, it fully resists daily sweat, hand washing, rain and underwater activity, allowing you to wear it worry-free during all sports and daily scenarios. It's your ultimate professional fitness companion. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.